Tony Finau is an American professional golfer who currently plays on the PGA Tour. She was born on September 14, 1989 in Salt Lake City, Utah. He won the Utah State Amateur Championship in 2006, defeating future PGA Tour player Daniel Summerhays in the 36-hole championship match. Finau is of Tongan and Samoan descent, the first person of such ancestry to play on the PGA Tour. Finau's brother Gipper made the cut in the Utah EnergySolutions Championship at the age of 16 but did not succeed as a tournament professional. He is the cousin of NBA basketball player Jabari Parker and former NFL football player Haloti Ngata. Finau qualified for the US team at the 2022 President's Cup. He won 3 and lost one of his matches. In November 2022, Finau won the Cadence Bank Houston Open for his third PGA Tour victory of the calendar year. In July 2022, Finau won the 3M Open and the Rocket Mortgage Classic in successive weeks, his third and fourth victories on PGA Tour. In September 2021, Finau played on the US team in the 2021 Ryder Cup at Whistling Straits in Kohler, Wisconsin. The US team won 19-9 and Finau went on to 2-0, including a loss in his Sunday singles match against Ian Poulter. In early 2021, Finau had a stretch of 5 weeks where he finished in the top 4 in all 4 tournaments that he entered. He finished 4th at the American Express, tied 2nd at the Farmers Insurance Open, tied 2nd at the Saudi International on the European Tour, and he lost in a playoff to Max Homa at the Genesis Invitational at Riviera Country Club in Pacific Palisades, California. Finau won the 2021 Northern Trust, beating Cameron Smith in a playoff. In December 2019, Finau played on the US team at the 2019 President's Cup at Royal Melbourne Golf Club in Australia. The US team won 16-14, Finau went 0-1-3 and helped his Sunday singles match against Hideki Matsuyama. In February 2020, Finau lost the Waste Management Phoenix Open in a sudden death playoff to Webb Simpson. Finau, who lost to Simpson birdie on the first extra hole, had held a 2-stroke lead with 2 holes to play, but Simpson finished with consecutive birdies to force the playoff. In July 2022, at the Memorial Tournament, Finau held a 4-stroke lead in the 3rd round before faltering on the back 9 with 2 double bogeys. In April 2019, Finau was in the final group of the Masters tournament with Francesco Molinari and Tiger Woods. He ended the tournament tied for 5th. In September 2018, US team captain Jim Furyk named Finau as a captain's pick for the 2018 Ryder Cup at Le Golf National outside of Paris, France. Finau finished the 2018 PGA Tour season ranked 6th in the season-long FedEx Cup. His best finishes in the season were 2nd at the Safeway Open and the Northern Trust. He also finished T2 at the Genesis Open. In March 2016, Finau won his maiden title on the PGA Tour at the Puerto Rico Open. He won his first title in August 2014 at the Stonebrae Classic. He finished 8th in the regular season and 12th in the Web.com Tour Finals to earn his PGA Tour card for the 2014-15 season. Finau and his brother Gipper competed on the Golf Channel's The Big Break in 2009. Finau finished 2nd on Big Break Disney Golf.